Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to slice an onion, also known as Julienne. This is great for a couple different reasons. You can use Julienne onions in a salad. They're really nice for that. They're also really nice to caramelize. But before I get into it, I have to talk about my shirt. So I recently crossed 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and thank you everyone for watching. I'm super appreciative. And this is the very first shirt that I wore on my very first video, which was like 6 years ago. So a little bit of history. Okay, let's get into slicing this onion. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, we have two parts of the onion. We have the root and we have the stem. We're going to cut the stem part off, and then we're going to peel our onion, removing every little piece. Okay, so we have the peel off. We've cut off the root. It's halved and it's now ready to slice. The main thing here when you're slicing an onion or when you're gonna julienne an onion is that you're cutting it basically into 1/8 inch sticks. That's what you're aiming for. So you want slices that are just about 1/8 inch in thickness. And just keep working that onion over and over. When you get to the end, what you want to do is just flip the onion over and just keep repeating that. And there you go. That's how you julienne or slice an onion. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And hey, you know what? If you like to cook as much as I do, I release new videos every single week. So please subscribe. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment. I'm always open to new suggestions. I'll see you guys next time.